Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. With a no investment to get started, work at home opportunity. What if I could show you how to make a full-time living sharing videos throughout the internet? Would you be interested in working only 1 to 2 hours a day? If your answer is yes, keep watching to learn how it works. I will produce a YouTube marketing video like this one you're watching right now when you join our Forced Matrix Profits team build for free. If you know anything about Forced Matrix programs, you know you must join at the top through a powerful team build to position yourself for massive profits. Congratulations, you're doing just that. These Forced Matrix programs offer AdPacks. Now here are just a few of the benefits of these Forced Matrix programs. Free to join. The team member's name in the title and description of this video will pay for your first matrix in each program you join. Several Forced Matrix programs to choose from. Join just one or join them all. Spill over from your upline promotional efforts. Position stacking. Auto paid from your downline promotional efforts. 100% matching bonuses. Auto reentry, making it a pure passive income opportunity. Also enjoy residual passive income. Never be deleted from your matrices. Compound advertising. Turn $2 into $47,185. Free YouTube marketing videos like the one you're watching right now with your Matrix affiliate links in the description of your videos. Now, so far, you've spent nothing to get started making money with this great work from home, no investment opportunity. Once I have your YouTube advertising platform marketing videos made, I will post them in our Facebook Live training room. You, myself, and the team build members will like, share, and comment on your video, making it go viral throughout Facebook and the internet. Those who watch your video then join your Forced Matrix programs will then go to work for you. You will make commissions from their YouTube marketing video promotional efforts when I produce a YouTube marketing video for them. Now scroll down into the description of this video. You will find the affiliate's name and Matrix affiliate links in the description and title of this video. Now you're going to be working with him or her in our Facebook team build training room. Click on the link and join one or all of the Forced Matrix programs in the description of this video, making sure you opt back in to activate your Matrix accounts. Important. You must log back in to activate your account for us to pay for your Matrix position and find your affiliate links so I can produce a video for you. Once you find your affiliate link in your Matrix dashboard, request your free marketing package YouTube video by getting into the Team Build Facebook training room, finding that link in the description of this video. When you land in the Facebook training room, make sure you type who referred you. Let me say that again. Make sure you type who referred you, which would be the name in the description of this video. And give your Matrix affiliate links when asked. Oh, one last thing before I go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring that little bell. Like and share this video. Okay, you know what to do. My team and I will be waiting for you in my live Facebook online training room, ready to help you make that full-time living working from your home. Yes, you will be working from your home for yourself, but not by yourself. To your success, Harvey the Silver Fox, ready to help build your business.